Hello everybody and welcome to this new project. Today we are going to make management. Let's I forgot the title that I was going to say. Restaurant management application or system using Laravel. So this is the final project that we are going to make. This is a demo, so the project was made first in French because I have another channel, so don't worry, some words are written here in French, so I am going to explain every word. So here we have the welcome page, we have the restaurants. XXX means that you can make any name of your choice. Here we have the connection, so the connection means login, so I disabled the register link because here we have just manager who is going to manage the shop, so no need for anyone else to register. And we are going to see how we can add the manager or the admin. So when I click on the login link, I am redirected to the login page. And let's log in and see what we have. So we have email and password. So once I am logged in, I think this is the only user. If not, so it is not the only user. I think that I forgot the email. Let's check this one. And not this one, so I'm going to check what is the just one moment to check who is the admin, because it's a long time since I have added this, I have created this project, so I forget which email I'm using. So I'm going to pause the video and see what is the email, and I will come back. So I was looking for the database because I forgot I have many, as you can see, I have many. It's not Laravel e-commerce, it's Laravel restaurants. I have many databases here, so that's why. So this is our database that we are going to add soon. So the email is this, and I think the email is this one, and password is this one. So let's check and see if we are logged in. So now we are logged in. As you can see, we have here the the management page, the payments page, and the reports page. So I'm going to the management page. Here I have the categories, the menu, the tables, and servers. When we are in the categories, we have the list of the categories with the links. We can update, delete. This, I think that this functionality is a classic functionality, so everyone knows this, so no need to demonstrate how it's working. We have the menu. For the menu also we have the same thing. Image, can add, update, delete. We have the tables and servants, or the waiters in English, the waiters who work inside the restaurants. So let's take a look at the payments. So this is the payments. Here inside the payments we have the payments for this day, which means today, which is 12 January 20 21, and here we can go to the list of all the, we will see this later, all the cells. Here we can choose the tables. We have the tables here. We can choose, for example, this one. We can update a table, and down we can choose if we have lunch or breakfast, dinner, and we have here all the menus. We have pizzas, salads, fishes. So we can choose a table, choose a menu, for example pizza. Here we choose the waiter, the quantity, and the price. The price is 60, and we have 120. Here the change, if we have any change. Here the payment type, paid cash. Here if it is paid or no, and we click on submit. Once we have add a new cell, let's look. Here we have at the table where we have the new sale. So you can see here the tickets. The ticket is displayed here with the menu, the price, the waiter, the quantity, the total, and the payment type and payment status, if it is paid or not, the restaurant name, the address, and phone. Here we can print, as you can see here, I can print the tickets. If I click on that, I have tickets here. I have tickets. I can print the tickets. So what else we have here? All the sales, all what we have sold for the month or all the days, the previous days. This one is only for today, but this one is for all the days. Here we can add, update, or delete cell. So let's check the final section, which is the reports. Inside the reports here, inside the reports, we are going to generate reports. For example, we choose the dates, this, for example, today, and we click on display the reports. So here we have the reports for today and the table, and here the total, and we can display or generate our report inside the fichier of Excel. So here when I click on generate report inside Excel, we generate the report, and the report will be downloaded as a file, Excel file. So this is our projects that we are going to make. So first of all, before we start this project, so as you can see here, the file is downloaded as Excel file. So before we start, what I'm expecting from you, that you have the knowledge or the basic knowledge of Laravel. You can add, updates, delete, and display products from database, and the rest of the course I will try to explain every single line of code. First of all, try to add a new project. I already added a new project, so try to add a new project with the login and logout system. So I think that you already have the knowledge, or you know how to do it. So try to add, go to Laravel website, into the documentation. So add new projects with login and logout system. So just used simple command, which is the php order compose require Laravel auth. So we are going to use just Laravel auth. We are not going to use any other system like Sanctum or Airlock, which was named before Airlock. I think it's named Sanctums or something like this. So we are not going to use anything, just simple login system of Laravel. So first of all, we are going to the first thing we are going to do is to add our database and our models. So let's start. So stop the video and you can add new projects and come back again. So let's start. We are going to add our first model, which is the make model category, and we generate all the files, the controller, the database and factory and the migration. So let's close this. This is the done project, already done project. So let's check. Let's open the new one that I have just added. So let's see. So I think this is the projects. So as I said before, we will add first thing we will add new. So not e-commerce. So this is the old projects of Laravel e-commerce. So this is not so because they have the same name, Laravel Restaurants English. So I was Laravel Restaurants. So I think that is Laravel Restaurants, Laravel Restaurants. So I think I have already added this project. I don't know why it is not displayed. I will look for this one. So this is the folder. Let's look for Laravel Restaurant English. Laravel Restaurant English. This is the one that I have just added. So let's see what we have here. Let's see our first model that we have just added. Let's go to the categories, and here we are going to add our protected field label. Protected. So don't know what is wrong with the VS Code today. It's so dismiss protected field label, and we will add the fields, title and slug. We will have a title and slug. So let's add first relation. This category will have many menus. So return this. Oh, this has many menu class. So we will add the menu model soon. Just use app menu. Don't forget to import the model. So we will add it now. So this is so just waiting for the command to terminate. Let's add the database. So we will have inside this one we'll have. So I think that I misspelled the category. So I misspelled category. So this is not the one. So this is not the category that I have. So this one I will remove this one. Oh, so I don't want to. So I was just typing. I was typing fast. That's why I got this. So I will copy the code that we have added and let's fix it. So now we have our category. This is, and here use app / menu. So this is the category model. Let's remove this one and let's move to the database. So the database here, as I said before, we have the first field, which is the title, and the next one, which is the slug. Because all the categories we will be looking for them using slug and not the ID. So this is the first one. For the factory we will use here factory, and we give it category. I think that's category class, and we will create 10 categories, and we call the function create. No, not here. I think that we need to use it here inside. It's not created yet, but here inside the factory. I don't know what happened to me today. So we are going to add the title, and we will use Faker to generate a sentence for the. I think that if we use the word, it's better than the sentence, because the sentence it will be a long name, and categories will take a long name. That's why. So we just add a word, and we will change the word later. For the slug we will use the str slug helper, and we give it the title. So this is the one, and let's import the class from eliminate HTTP and remove this one. So this is our factory, and here inside Cedar we will call factory as I said before, and let's import this class inside. So this is the first model with its database, the migration, Cedar, and factory. So let's move to the next one. The next one, which will be the menu. So let's add a menu. So for the menu we will have and I think that I forgot to change let's change the category from searching by ID to searching by get route key name, from searching by name to searching by slug. So we return slug. Let's copy these lines and put them inside the menu. So here we have the title slug. Let's bring this down, and here we will have description for the menu. Next you will have the image, price, and category ID. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fields. Here we have the category, and this menu belongs to category, and for the route key name we'll let it as it is, and also this menu will belongs to many. We will add a new model. The next one, it will be a sale which will represent sales. So we will add a menu called sale, and this and every sale will belong, every menu will belongs to many sales. So it will belongs to many sales, which means that a menu can be in different sales. So if we have a sale of ID 1, we will have a menu, and we may have the same menu in a different sale, which means if it is a sale with ID number 2, we may have the same menu there. So that's why we make this relation. So next, I think we have to add the database migration. For the database migration, let's add the first one, which is title, and let's copy and paste this one. We have slug, we will have the description, we will have also the image, we'll have the price, and we give it here 8 and two numbers after the semicolon. Also we will have big, not big but unsigned big integer, which will be the category ID. So this is the migration for the menu. For the seeder, or let's add first the factory, and next we will add seeder. So here we have the title, and the title we will use a faker. Let's use the sentence. Here we will give it title. So the first one is the title, so we'll take the title, and slug we'll take str, as we have seen before, str slug, and we give it the title, and let's import the class. Here we have the description, and for the description we will use the faker to generate a paragraph, and for the image I think that I will use a custom link for the image, and for the category ID it will be one of the factory we have already added, which is the category class. And for the what's left for the price, so we'll use faker to generate number between max or the mean will be 100 and max will be for example 500. So what we have here, so what is wrong here? Factory, what is wrong here? Unexpected expecting, here it is equal not. So here for this line, I think I will check for a link for, because the image link used by faker is no longer working. So I'm going to look for a link that generates a random image, and we will use it. So this is the link that we are going to use. So it is the same thing, just when I have done the first time the projects, the link associated with the faker library doesn't work anymore. So I was looking for another one, and I found this website, so we use it for our images. Here we, as I said, we create 10 menus from the factory that we have already added. So this is the first part of this project, or of this section dedicated to the database. Next we will add more models. In the next episode we will add sale model, and I think that's sale model, and we will add also the waiters and tables model. So let's see you in the next episode.